hug you. Ouch!
Sam, what are you doing?
Can't you see? I'm hugging the cactus.
But it's spiky.
So what?
Doesn't it hurt?
Ow! It does.
Why are you hugging it then?
Well, even a cactus will feel good if someone gives it a hug. Ouch! Hey, Sue, have you read The Little Prince?
Sure, Sam. It's one of my favorite books.
Well, after reading it, I've decided to follow the advice and hug the cactus. But it's too prickly.
Silly Sam, it's just a fairy tale.
Pity. I wanted to make the cactus feel good to hug it.
Well, all right, Sam. I'll help you get into a fairy tale and hug a cactus, and it won't be prickly at all.
You're just like a good fairy, Sue. I'm ready. Send me into the fairy tale.
Hold your horses, Sam. We need to get everything ready first.
All right. Guys, while Sue and I get everything ready for traveling to a fairy tale, please share in the comments what was the last book you read, and give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel!
Yes, and this. Right.
Sue, what is this? A pot for traveling?
No, Sam. It's a pot for planting a spikeless cactus.
Oh!
First, we need to get bright green colors for the cactus. Then, we need to paint several stones green and let them dry. Careful, Sam. These cucumbers can cost you your teeth. Now that the green paint is dry, I'll draw some spikes with a thin brush. Each stone gets its own spike design. It is a magical cactus, after all.
I think I already know what happens next. These are fairy tale totems, and I'll need to say magic words, and then I'll get right into a fairy tale.
Patience, Sam. Let's allow the paint to dry. Now, I'll fill our pot with small stones all the way to the top.
Carefully now.
Then, I'll plant the painted stones into the pot. 1, 2, and 3. And we get a magical spikeless cactus!
This is magical indeed! You really are a good fairy, Sue.
Aww.
To travel to a fairy tale, try making a magical cactus like Sue and I. And send us a photo of your creations. And for more magical craft ideas, subscribe to our channel! I'll go hug our non-spiky cactus and make it feel good. Oh.
Bye, guys. See you soon.